Hi everyone, welcome back to Trade Precision again, and we've identified support on gold. We identified it, right almost from as soon as the room opened, that we got support at 1489.50, and it's gotten down close, within a couple points, but we haven't quite made it there yet. But we identified this really early on, this gold trade. We've already had a loser and then a small winner on the oil so far today. This is my infinity platform. It's a 5-minute chart of gold we're looking at here. We're coming down, and yes, we just hit our price. I drew a line across just so that we could see right where it was, 1489.50. It kind of helped me a little bit to see it. I'm not that used to the infinity platform yet, but we hit our price, and now we're trying to get, we're up 4 ticks already from that, and now we're working up. We're up 6 ticks, and so far no heat. It turned right at our price. Is that amazing that we called that support right to the tick? And that's what amazes me by this system. It gives you great entries. It gives you super entries. You can see the market's been coming down all day. Mario said in the room, we'll see if we can catch the falling knife here, and it looks like we did. It looks like we caught it just perfectly. 2 ticks away. See if we can get 1 tick away. Yeah, the story of my life, and there we got filled. Okay, let's write that up. Great job, traders. We've had this trade on for some time, and it's really just great to catch that, to catch it right. And so far no heat at all. So our first profit target, and we're getting close to our second. It's 91.50 is our second profit target. We'll see if we're going to get there too. So far, a pretty good day. With getting this trade. Trading has been great in the room. We got quite a few people in who know the system. It's hard for me to type and talk at the same time. But the first profit, I better stop talking. I said that the market turned right at our price. Amazing. We called the support right to the ticks so far. So this is looking pretty good. 3 ticks away from our second profit target. Okay. Now we're pushing our way back up. Looks like we might have hit our second profit target already. 1 tick away anyway. We'll see if we've hit it here. Yeah, there we go. 91.50. So there it is. 20 ticks, everyone. Nice day at the office, I think. So we got 10 and we got 20. Usually, what I do for the room now is I'll move the I'll move the stop to after the first profit target to just underneath that low, and I'll usually like to trail the stop up, but as soon as I got hit on my first 2, I'm pretty much out of it. So there we go. Got that posted in there. Got a second profit target hit. Not a bad trade. Not a bad way to start the day. I kept the recorder on, as you can see, and we've had a couple of, swing lows and a couple swing highs. But take a look. Right now we're up 65 points. Even more. Looks like 667 points on oil. So really a pretty good day. Not on oil, on gold. Excuse me. It's exciting. I'm just amazed. Yeah, that just catching the bottom. Just catching the bottom just perfectly, and catching our first 2 profit targets. In some ways it's a little bit, frustrating to me because, I should just trail my stop on some of them, and run that thing all the way up. But for the room, it's what's the right thing to do. It's capital appreciation or capital preservation. As I get a better handle on the traders in the room, we might do more. But as an individual trader, you can do whatever you want. I just thought I'd show you, wrapping up towards the end of the day here, that you can see, through the whole course of the day, we caught the bottom, and there's the top right up there. You got to admit that's pretty amazing, traders. That you could have ran that thing all the way up if you kept your stop down below the entry price or started trailing after a while. So a nice day of trading in the room again. We'll see if there's more a little later on. I'm going to have to leave a little early today, though, so we'll see if we get anything more later on. We've been trading oil, crude oil, gold, and the ES in the room. We haven't had an ES trade yet. Maybe we'll get an ES trade a little later on today. But I do have to leave a little bit early. But guys, like gold and the crude, you just gotta. It's there's more volatility in them. Look at that. That's an awesome move. All right, we'll see you a little later, traders. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a great night, and we'll look for you in the room tomorrow. We'll start at 9 o'clock. Have a good night, everyone.